Ke School St. Dominic Savio Higher Secondary School Shillong Mokhar, kelap li pai ba yu mau mer ke jingya linti ban ri phausnam jaka, ha ke jing sakri ban pasat ya ke puli puthi, syaki khna. Ya kani ke jing rakhi la pulang ha phlau jing ke school, ha ke balai don lang di khna school, ki kimik pa bat kinahi kai nalor kula shakhot sang ba. Yo mau mer Jubilee la pli da ke bakentiu ya kelama Diamond Jubilee, the principal barim kani school, ufada Pascal Lingdo kum kongsan, hangat ke jingan don lang, Principal Bamenta ufada Jimris Chella, ufada Richard Man Bahamajau, Principal Barim but ufada Joseph Kurba ufada Parish Priest ke Saint Joseph Parish. Hakini sini nakaliang ke Managing Committee ke school ke pesngau ya ke kaifat trikam bagi program juga school hakini senam. Shushu hakini ke jing play parda ke school henne kelas dang de jing pesngau ya ke jingwa Jubilee bagi jingwa ya ke anthem juga school balai shimenta de kena school.
The St. Dominic School has been raised to high standards with every year. Then I departed from here. I did my B.Ed in 2006. Then both of them, Father Jimris and Father Richard, they were my students, believe it or not, in St. Paul's Seminary. Father Richard was my secretary in the year 1990 when I was ordained. The first time when I was ordained, I was appointed in St. Paul's Seminary. Father Richard was a very good boy at the time, and he was working as a secretary in my office. And Father Jimris was a boy at that time, believe it or not. Well, he was a boy, maybe a little with Father Bernard Lalu and Father Rubius, in which we produced a number of cassettes. We cannot imagine that time to produce cassette. In the year 1990, during the Jubilee, we brought out the cassette, and Father Joseph was in the parish as parish priest of Shillong. Di Asia, Kimnet dari Sokwai, dan di Indonesia, Kimnet dari Sokwai, di Kemah, Kimnet dari Sokwai, dari di Muslim dari Sokwai, di Kemah, Jula dari Sokwai, baru di Muslim, Jula dari Sokwai. Di Sokwai, oh itu ikut jurnal yang Dari nabi Rasul, tapi pun besok. Dari kafir, jangka sosialai, dari kafir, jangka malam. Aki malam berher, nabi ada nabi pastor, nabi menteri, kampasi, aku berher. Ini semua itu kita. Nabi kita sosial, kita sosial. Itu berkuat fakta Jubilee diteruskan. Rumah Ijib, Pak Haji Ibrahim, ex-minister Jubilee, dan philology students juga center. Pada antara segi sekolah di Pak Ademan, itu adalah student juga sekolah. Di sini kita cari apa? But kita try office of healthcare, try di sekretariat, try di department of healthcare. Dalam resort doa, dalam pergi dalam kerja doa. Di even air di roh semua itu benar dan kita eksis juga di sekolah.
dear friends, the school will continue to exist and serve the community, and a lot of progress has been there, right from the infrastructure, enrollment, pupil, teacher issue, and many other things, especially the quality and the performance of the school in the board exam. We never think in the past that recently, in the last few years or so, some of our students have been in the list of top 10, top 20 in the board exam. This shows that there is a lot of progress, including performance in the school. And I salute the dedicated service of all the principals and the teachers for such a wonderful experience and also for such excellence in performance in the school, in the board exam, and in different activities of the school, including sports activities and so on.
Apa pinang proyek sekolah di Bandung, kalau iban ayah kerja perlu kerja ia dipun jeli, hal yang cukup dah. Nama apa? Yui, ia kerja mana seperti mana? Dipun jeli kimpa syuk berpendan, kimpa syuk dan kamu. Kemudian kemalok di Malay, apa di Malay? Apa apa? Orang bersifat hanya positif. Lasi don kena agak feel kusna. Abang awan dia sen na po jayong ini niya yaja. Idon siya hon di kena di dalam hawi pindong. Aso su hi kaya di dawai dia. Asal tolong lagi. But kira-kira ni dia di maksudnya kata-kata nak dong. Di orang perlu semua sesuatu ni ribu orang dari bekerja sendiri. Semua ni kek. Tu dia ribu orang sih dari bekerja sendiri. Cien ke bawah nak kata sebun pasal ia yang ada berhenti buat usia sini. Masuk suhi dia itu ya, betul tu ketengah. Wah benda yang berpil pasal dia boleh terus nama mesti. Di negara yang kedua values. Ni rekam berkata, kinong ni festival ni celebrate, ya se ya kijuni berper, andai ladang berkata hari berkata, manai detik dulu ya moral values, nasneo bagi dalam sibun ko saya domlek ini, tu ni ya kan roy show ini.